Russia resumes production of the Tupolev Tu-160M White Swan, NATO, Blackjack, strategic bomber armed with cruise missiles. This was said by the CEO of the Russian state company, Rostec, Sergey Chemezov, when reviewing this aircraft at his factory. He added that currently the Tu-160M is one of the most powerful bomber aircraft in the world. Restarting production of these bombers is a challenge in itself. Restarting Tu-160 production is a tough task for all Rostec affiliates. Design documentation is completely digitized within the tightest deadlines. Vacuum welding techniques on titanium components were restored, and production of airframe units resumed. Today we can say with confidence that we have succeeded in everything, he was quoted as saying by TASS. The visible appearance of the Tu-160M bomber from the outside is no different from its predecessor base. However, this aircraft has been upgraded in terms of completely new technology and digital solutions. Today, this aircraft is one of the most powerful combat aircraft in the world, Chemezov stressed. Earlier, Russian President Vladimir Putin visited the SP Gorbanov Kazan aviation plant in Tatarstan and inspected 4 fundamentally upgraded strategic bombers. The Tu-160 is the largest and most powerful supersonic aircraft with variable sweep wings in the history of military aviation. The Tu-160 upgrade program was launched at Putin's direct request. Based on a government contract concluded between the Ministry of Industry and Trade and the Tupolev Design Bureau, the design documentation for the Tu-160M aircraft was completely digitized in a short time. Western media has highlighted that since the war with Ukraine began 2 years ago, Russia's defense industry has developed rapidly and production has increased drastically. Russia does not appear to be suffering from the economic sanctions imposed on it by the West.